up to Kicking Horse Mountain. Rocco's gonna get a ski lesson in.
And Morgan's gonna go do a ski lesson with Daddy.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So we're gonna head up.
Fun!
Yep, so fun. All right, let's go check it out.
I'm gonna be pizza! This is gonna be fun! Yeah!
Good job! Wet, wet, good! Whoa, wet, oh! All right, what we do have to do, Rocco?
We're about to go down this big mountain.
All right, you gonna show me the obstacle course?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Last time Morgan did it.
Yeah, you're skiing. Bend your knees, arms out. Wedge. Good. Woo! Whoa!
Pizza, pizza! Good job, man!
All right, up here at the top of Kicking Horse Mountain, and it's pretty epic up here. These views are for days and days and days, and I'm gonna try to work my way down that way. Let's see, avalanche. Not interested in avalanches today, so let's see what we can do. Look at that. Look at that. Man. That's all right. Here we go. Last bowl, we're gonna try this little bowl over here. What's called bowl over Super Bowl. Probably roll over all the way down. Here we go. There's only one way down the mountain from here. What do you think? All right, let's do it. Woohoo! All right. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Yep. It's all right. It's powdering. Let's keep going. Whew. Nice. Oh, that was good. Fluffy. Avalanche danger. All right, good stuff. I like it. Let's get some nice powder. Look at this. Hasn't been touched, some of it. Woohoo! Check that out. Oh my goodness. All right. Nice. Great bowl right there.
Sponge cake.